And here we go again on the visa bulletin. As you can see here, the visa bulletin is out. The news are not great. We're going to do an analysis, but I don't want to say that, but I told you so. It was not going to move forward. But ladies and gentlemen, before I continue, this is Shah Peerally. Please subscribe to our channel. Click on that little notification button you see. That helps us to bring you more information and analysis of immigration law. We are going to have great stuff coming for coming year, so it's good to just subscribe now. So now let us get into the visa bulletin really directly. I'm not going to make that video too long because there's not much to say except what we've seen there. It's not great news. So family-based immigration, let me open the second one and we're going to do a comparison so that we get a better idea on what is happening. For the employment base is of course this kind of bad for India. Like you see here we have the family base. Family base India was December 2014 for November, and now we are going to the 2014 for December right now, and November also 2014 December. So hold on a sec, right? So we have final action date India 2014 and India, oh actually no, same, it didn't move. As you can see, it didn't move. I don't do too much analysis on the fact they have actually kind of pulled a lot from the family to put in the employment base, so we're not going to go too much into that. It doesn't seem too many changes, just like I expected. So this is to November, like you see here, and this is December, so they're pretty much going the same. Now let's go for the employment base. This is the one that we're interested in, and we're not going to look at the filing. We're going to focus on the final action date. As you can see, let's start from one. EB1, good news. Like I said before, and I predicted, it didn't move, so EB1 is a good option for you. That. Now, second category, if you look at here, India moved to 2011. That's a sad part. And here you will see it is actually 2012. So it moved almost like 8 months to 9 months behind, if my math is good. So now third category, April 2012 in November, and now it is June. Actually, the third category moved forward, which is not too bad for the third category. And EB3 moved forward actually. Yes, look at this. EB3 moved forward. So this is November, April. Now the question, a lot of people upgraded, downgraded, and moved back to EB3. Should I go back now to EB3? Well, if your EB3 is still there, just use it. But this is the thing, you're going to see this dance going back and forth, but EB3 at one point is going to get saturated. What has happened, a lot of people jump back to EB2. That's what opened the EB3 again. But EB3 doesn't move that fast, because EB3, the reason EB3 doesn't move that fast is EB3 encompasses a lot of categories in them, including pretty much a specialized labor, and not only that, it also includes skilled labor workers. Skilled workers can be anybody. A truck driver can be skilled worker. Not anyway, truck driver doesn't mean that the truck driver is not an important job. Actually, it's one of the most important right now. But I'm just giving the example. You don't need a bachelor's degree for that. So you need to be really, really careful if you keep jumping from one to another. Although if your dates are current, we will probably see a lot of people doing a supplement J and moving it back to EB3. Now, will that be easy if you shifted the job? That's another question. Probably not. So my take is to wait at least a couple of more visa bulletin, and then let's see. I'm not going to do predictions at this point because I need more data to do that. But just to let people know, a lot of people were coming to me saying, oh, you should not do the predictions because you will get it wrong. Other lawyers saying that there are so many visas added, almost 50,000 visas taken from the family base, sent to this to employment base. So it will move forward this year. I said no, because all the stuff that you're hearing are already calculated. In fact, my idea was, if you listen to my previous predictions, I said either it will be status quo or there's a slight chance it will even retrogress. My hope is that it doesn't retrogress. And it did retrogress when it came to EB2, and EB3 move a little bit forward. So we're pretty much kind of even. But I don't see a lot. Maybe EB3 trend will go forward a little bit, but I don't want to pronounce myself at this point. So I will recommend that you check our channel, subscribe to it, and in the next coming weeks, I will put my predictions for next month based on the data that we are getting. And again, this is totally a guesswork. Nobody has the secret of this. Even USCIS, even the State Department doesn't know what is going to be next until they start calculating it. So don't get your horses, don't get on your high horses and thinking, oh, this one said this one said this. It's all guess, okay? So good luck to you. If you need any help on immigration, feel free to reach out to us, 510-742-5887. And again, anything I told you is my opinion. You should not act or referring to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. This is Attorney Shah Peerally signing off. Thank you.